This is a demo of our Philips Hue interaction project. At the moment we have this left list that lists all lights connected to this account, this username, where we can see that the top one is the left one by looking at the color, and the bottom one is the right one by looking at it's not a green color. So we can also change the hue of this light 4, which is the default light, by changing around with these sliders here. We can choose another light by clicking the cog icon on the right side of the light, where we can then choose the hue for this light. We can also play with the brightness and the saturation. It's almost, it's quite close to real time, but it's not real time. It's delayed by a quarter of a second because there are HTTP requests for the Philips Hue bridge, and that's limited to 10 times a second, so as to not to overburden the bridge. But I can keep changing around these sliders here, so I can change which light I want to interact with. And I can turn the brightness all the way down. This doesn't actually turn off the light, but it does turn the brightness to its lowest setting. And I can turn it all the way up again. And yeah, that's about it. So I can also say select, and I get an eye cursor. This will be later used for interacting with these sliders without having to use my hand to move around so much. I can have it further down and just move it slightly. And we were also thinking of attaching some eye tracking targets onto the objects themselves. And then when I look at it, it changes the right color controller panel to the corresponding one that I'm looking at, so I don't have to click these buttons. Yeah, that's about it.